guys! Today I want to show you how to make a personalized gift for your friend, for your family, and it's so easy. Let's get started. First, I'm going to make the customized wristband by punching the holes only. The wristband I use on this video come from HashtagLoops. If this is the first time you make it, you should locate your characters on the paper first and then punch in the holes to avoid the mistakes. Next, you turn your bands inside out and wrap around the card like this. Just follow your design and use the punch tool to make the holes on the band. Now you have the band with the letter that you want. The second one, I would like to share the way to highlight the letter on the band. First, you do the same as the previous band to show your name on its face. After that, you can choose any color, any yarn to highlight your character. I use yarn needle to take the color through the holes. And tie a knot after you go through the last hole. And another way to make your wristband become more unique is decorating it with beads. In the video, I'm going to attach some flowers on the band. The last one, attach some charms on the wristband. First, I punch 2 holes close together. And then attach the jump ring through the hole. And put one more ring. And then connect the charm. You can attach as many charms as you like. In the next video, I will share more ways to customize your wristband. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like this video. Thank you for watching.